channel. It's your favorite chef, Ella. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the drink recipes I made for my husband. Here, this drink is like our sign language. Like each time I make this drink, I don't need to tell him anything. Like he cooks, and I told you after taking this drink, and my bosses are here. So without wasting much of our time, I'm gonna be showing you how I make my drink. So for this drink, we need this. This is yogurt, unsweetened yogurt. You can equally use Greek yogurt. And this is my banana. 3 to 4 pieces is fine. And this is we need milk for this recipe. So, but I'm not going to be using. You can use soy milk, almond milk, or any milk of your choice. But I just use tiger nut milk. That's what makes it different. I just use tiger nut milk. So I'm going to be processing this tiger nut like separately. Then I will extract the milk and use it for the main thing. So like this thing, this drink is not all about tiger nut. You know, we have tiger nut drink that the one you add coconut, ginger and all that. It is not what I'm making today. So I'm not going to be explaining much about it. So let me go over to this and then extract the milk first before we continue. So guys, this is just tiger nut and dates. Like it's so rich. I didn't add much water while blending, and so what you're seeing here is raw milk. Here is a banana already peeled and cut, the milk and yogurt. So I'm going to be pouring so we're blending everything together. So guys, I added extra banana, like about 3 banana in that because I noticed since I'm not using, I usually use Greek yogurt. I prefer it because it makes this drink come out thicker. But since I'm not using this particular yogurt I use, it somehow works. Let me test what I just did. So much goodness in just a seed. So I'll cover it and allow it chill. Wait, no, I'm not done. No, allow it to chill. I want to put it in the fridge.
Bring me, Jare, for this thing.
Guys, are you seeing? I don't understand. I'm not sure that anything.
Get ready, oh, get ready.
Get ready for what? I don't have problem this time. like I told you, each time I made it, it's like I don't even know what to say again. This juice, the message it carries, I don't know how to explain.
Baby,
Sure,
baby, please, I need you 1 minute, please, 1 minute.
Okay, I'm coming, baby. I'll be back in 15 time. Stay the rest of the video. Please, subscribe, like this video. You know, for me.
Babe,
I'm coming.
5 hours later.
Please, subscribe. You could subscribe. What I'm passing through right now, I don't know how to explain. My waist. Please subscribe.
babe, come now, we're not done.